Hey there, folks. If you're thinking about closing your Navy Federal account, you're in the right place. Whether it's because you're switching to another bank or just streamlining your finances, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This is straightforward, but it's important to handle it carefully to avoid any hiccups. First off, why close an account? Maybe you're moving on from Navy Federal Credit Union, or perhaps you're consolidating your financial life. Whatever the reason, let's get into it. Before you start, make sure you've tied up any loose ends. That means checking your account balance, paying off any outstanding loans or credit card debts, and transferring any remaining funds to another account. Navy Federal might not let you close if there's money owed or left in there, so double-check everything. Once that's sorted, you have a few ways to proceed. The easiest method is online. Log in to your Navy Federal online banking portal. Look for the Account Services, or Help section. There should be an option to close your account. You'll need to fill out a form and verify your identity, probably with your social security number and some personal details. If you're not comfortable doing this online, you can call their customer service line. The number is usually on their website. Just explain that you want to close your account, and they'll guide you through it. Be prepared to answer security questions. Another option is visiting a branch in person. This might be ideal if you have a lot of questions or need to handle complex issues like joint accounts. Bring your ID and any relevant documents. Remember, closing an account could take a few days to process, and you might receive a confirmation letter or email once it's done. One more thing. Always keep records of your transactions and the closure request for your records. It's smart to have proof in case any issues arise later. And if you're unsure about anything, Navy Federal's customer support is generally helpful. Alright, that's it. By following these steps, you'll close your account smoothly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and take care.